born to run, built to last, full of fun, with plenty of muscle. A machine for every need and every budget. Putting you in charge and in the seat of the hottest looking ATVs around. When it comes to quality, reliability, and all-around performance, nothing beats a Polaris ATV for work or fun. Nothing. Born in the USA and designed from the ground up for the way you work and play, along with a long list of rider-friendly features that make Polaris ATVs the best equipped in the industry, like push-button engage four-wheel drive and on-demand 4- or 6-wheel drive for the toughest terrain, single-lever all-wheel hydraulic disc brakes for sure stops, standard on every model, Polaris automatic transmission for shift-free operation, McPherson strut front suspension for an incredibly smooth ride, full floorboards for riding comfort and protection. To keep your Polaris ATV looking as great as it runs, we start with an E-coat paint to resist corrosion, and then add a powder coat paint to guard against abrasions, and a wide variety of specialized optional equipment for every application possible. At the heart of every hard-charging Polaris ATV, you'll find one of a variety of air and liquid-cooled 2-stroke or liquid-cooled 4-stroke engines, offering quiet operation, long engine life, and good gas mileage. Whether you prefer 2-stroke or 4, Polaris work power is always at the top of its class. Polaris ATVs crank out the work and crank up the fun. Speaking of fun, the affordably priced, all-new 1996 Polaris Trailblazer ES is made for it. For exciting performance, there's the smooth-riding 1996 Polaris Scrambler 4x4. Dirt Wheels magazine calls it easily one of the best ATVs to come down the pike. Ride it, and you'll see why. If sport and recreation is your focus, choose the 1996 Polaris Sport 400L, a machine made to safely get you where you want to go. Hunting for an ATV with superb performance over tough terrain? Here's your target, the Polaris Sportsman 4x4 for 1996. The versatility of Polaris ATVs is unsurpassed, as the 1996 Trail Boss 250 clearly demonstrates. A tough, reliable worker on the farm, the Trail Boss 250 takes to the trail like a fish to water. Great performance at an economical price makes the Trail Boss 250 a superb value. Tough jobs on the farm or ranch demand an ATV with versatility and endurance. Polaris responds with the new Xpress 300. A beefier version of the Xpress 300, the new Polaris Express 400L, can pound out the work or hit the trail with equal ease. The Polaris Magnum 4x4 is the utility ATV that sets the standard for the industry. The Magnum 4x4 offers top durability in a proven package. The Polaris Magnum is also available in a 2x4 configuration. tackle those really big jobs, there's the all-new Polaris Magnum 6x6. Powered by Polaris's brawny 425cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke engine, the Magnum 6x6 provides quiet operation and economical gas mileage. Whether you're headed for the far reaches of the farm or the far ends of your hunting range, the 1996 Polaris Xplorer 300 will get you there and back again in style. How do you make a great machine like the Xplorer 300 even better? You build the 1996 Polaris Xplorer 400L. The Big Boss 6x6 400L is more than a terrific machine for the farm or the hunt. It's a reflection of Polaris innovation and leadership. Polaris is always ahead of the pack with power, comfort features, convenience, ride and handling second to none, and the imagination and skill to take ATV design and performance to brilliant new heights. For 1996, Polaris design and engineering excellence has gone white hot, culminating in the most advanced all-new ATV ever, the Polaris Sportsman 500. The Sportsman 500 establishes a new standard for all-around ATV performance. Polaris set out to perfect the combined sport and utility breed, and we did it with a masterpiece of computer-aided design. Take the Sportsman 500 out on the hunt or on the trail. The undeniable Polaris touch for delivering superior design, unsurpassed performance, and comfort make it the ultimate ATV. No matter what you want in an ATV, utility, sport, or recreation, no matter what features you prefer, air or liquid cooled, 2 or 4-stroke, chain or shaft drive, Polaris has the right machine, the best machine for you.